Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to scan your phone for viruses and threats and malware. So how to scan your phone. So in order to do that, we can get into the settings. In the settings you will find device care. In the device care you can see app protection, so we're gonna select that. Here you can find this option scan the phone, so I'm gonna select that. So now this app protection is scanning your phone for viruses and threats and the malware. So it's gonna take probably a while. As you can see, it's scanning all these apps one by one, and no threats has been found. Your phone is safe, and that's how you scan your phone for viruses. Thank you for watching the tutorial videos, and please subscribe to the channel so we can make more.